Welcome to your English Tagalog vocabulary lesson. Today, we'll learn 10 common colors. You'll hear the English word, its meaning, the Tagalog translation, and 2 example sentences. Stay until the end. We'll have a fun quiz to test what you've learned. Red. Meaning, a bright color like blood or a ripe apple.
Pula. Ibig sabihin, matingkad na kulay na tulad ng dugo o hinog na mansanas.
Red. She wore a red dress.
Pula. Nagsuot siya ng pulang damit.
Red. The balloon is red.
Pula. Ang lobo ay pula.
Blue. Meaning, the color of the sky or the ocean.
Asul. Ibig sabihin, kulay ng langit o dagat.
Blue. His eyes are blue.
Asul. Ang kanyang mga mata ay asul.
Blue. He bought a blue car.
Asul. Bumili siya ng asul na kotse.
Green. Meaning, the color of grass or leaves.
Verde. Ibig sabihin, kulay ng damo o dahon.
Green. The frog is green.
Verde. Ang palaka ay berde.
Green. She painted the wall green.
Verde. Pininturahan niya ng berde ang pader.
Yellow. Meaning, a bright color like the sun or a banana.
Dilaw. Ibig sabihin, matingkad na kulay na tulad ng araw o saging.
Yellow. The bird is yellow.
Dilaw. Ang ibon ay dilaw.
Yellow. She likes yellow flowers.
Dilaw. Gusto niya ng mga dilaw na bulaklak.
Black. Meaning, the color of night or charcoal.
Itim. Ibig sabihin, kulay ng gabi o uling.
Black. She is using a black fan.
Itim. Gumagamit siya ng itim na pamaypay.
Black. The cat is black.
Itim. Itim ang pusa.
White. Meaning, the color of milk or snow.
Puti. Ibig sabihin, kulay ng gatas o nyebe.
White. The paper is white.
Puti. Puti ang papel.
White. She has white shoes.
Puti. Siya ay may puting sapatos.
Orange. Meaning, a color like the fruit orange or a sunset.
Kahel. Ibig sabihin, kulay na tulad ng prutas na kahel o paglubog ng araw.
Orange. Her orange umbrella is big.
Kahel. Ang kanyang kahel na payong ay malaki.
Orange. He wore an orange hat.
Kahel. Nagsuot siya ng kahel na sombrero.
Pink. Meaning, a color between red and white, as of salmon or flamingo.
Kalimbahin. Ibig sabihin, isang kulay na nasa pagitan ng pula at puti, gaya ng salmon o flamenco.
Pink. She has a pink handkerchief.
Kalimbahin. Mayroon siyang kalimbahin na panyo.
Pink. The flowers are pink.
Kalimbahin. Kalimbahin ang mga bulaklak.
Purple. Meaning, a color between red and blue, like grapes.
Lila. Ibig sabihin, kulay sa pagitan ng pula at asul, tulad ng ubas.
Purple. The eggplant is purple.
Lila. Ang talong ay lila.
Purple. He likes purple balloons.
Lila. Gusto niya ng mga lilang lobo.
Brown. Meaning, a color like soil, wood or chocolate.
Kayumanggi. Ibig sabihin, kulay na tulad ng lupa, kahoy o tsokolate.
Brown. The table is brown.
Kayumanggi. Kayumanggi ang mesa.
Brown. She bought a pair of brown slippers.
Kayumanggi. Bumili siya ng isang pares ng kayumangging tsinelas.
Great job learning the colors. Now, let's test what you remember. The Tagalog word lila means pink, purple, green, yellow. And the correct answer is purple. Excellent. The color of the sun is
Berde. Asul. Dilaw. Kahel.
and the correct answer is
Dilaw.
amazing.
Which color means kulay ng gatas o niebe?
Asul. Pula. Kayumanggi. Puti.
And the correct answer is
Puti. Magaling.
what is the Tagalog word for red?
Puti. Itim. Pula. Kahel.
And the correct answer is
Pula.
splendid.
Which color is described as kulay tulad ng lupa? Kayumanggi. Kalimbahin. Pula. Asul.
And the correct answer is
Kayumanggi. Napakagaling.
great job. You've learned 10 common colors in English and Tagalog. Keep practicing by naming the colors of things around you in both languages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Tagalog for more lessons. See you in the next video.
Salamat!